Now, the first inaugural session of India's Parliament is taking place in the national capital, Delhi. The motion of thanks for the presidential address is being debated in both houses of Parliament. While Prime Minister Modi is likely to reply on the motion of thanks in the Lok Sabha, which is the lower house, on Tuesday, he will reply in the Rajya Sabha on Wednesday. Here's more by DD India's Dibendu Mondal.
The Parliament convened at 11 a.m. with obituary to the departed members of the House. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha, along with members, also paid tributes to President Ibrahim Raisi of Iran, who lost his life in an unfortunate helicopter crash. The motion of thanks on the presidential address was moved by former Union Minister and senior BJP leader Anurag Singh Thakur in the Lok Sabha. He spoke about the achievements of the Modi government over the last 10 years. He also spoke about the unprecedented growth of the Indian economy under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
देश का ये चुनाव ऐतिहासिक जनादेश हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के पिछले 10 वर्षों के सेवा, सुशासन और गरीब कल्याण के महाअनुष्ठान पर मोहर है। देश को जरूरत थी एक स्थिर और निरंतर सरकार की, और देश ने एक स्थिर, निरंतर और प्रभावी सरकार को फिर चुना है और मोदी जी को फिर देश का प्रधानमंत्री चुना है।
The motion was seconded by BJP leader and MP from New Delhi constituency Pasuri Swaraj. The opposition, however, created chaos during the initial proceedings of the Lok Sabha, demanding a separate discussion on the NEET paper leak issue. From the government's side, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh assured the opposition members that the government is ready to debate the issue after the motion of thanks on the presidential address is passed as per the traditions of the parliament.
जब कभी भी राष्ट्रपति जी के अभिभाषण पर चर्चा होती है तो आज तक कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है, क्योंकि अपने लंबे संसदीय जीवन में जो मैंने देखा है उस आधार पर मैं कह सकता हूं कि अन्य किसी विषय पर उस समय चर्चा हुई हो। इसलिए मैं अपने सभी सम्मानित विपक्ष के सदस्यों से भी आग्रह करना चाहता हूं, आप जिस विषय पर चर्चा करना चाहते हो आप चर्चा करें, लेकिन एक बार राष्ट्रपति से संबंधित जो धन्यवाद प्रस्ताव है उसको संसद में पारित करने के बाद ही करें। यह मेरा सभी से विनम्र अनुरोध है।
The leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, made a number of allegations against the government. He was even objected by the speaker, and then came a response from PM himself.
लोकतंत्र ने और संविधान ने मुझे सिखाया है कि मुझे विपक्ष के नेता को गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए।
The Prime Minister's reply will lay bare the facts put forward by the opposition leaders in both the houses of Parliament. All eyes on the Prime Minister's speech in the lower house tomorrow. This is Dibendu Mondal from New Delhi for DD India.